We are charged with freedom to build Africa's largest electric mobility ecosystem. We are leading and empowering the continent's transition to sustainable mobility, making it accessible, affordable, and inclusive. We design, manufacture, and maintain affordable and reliable electric vehicles that have been manufactured for the continent and beyond. The Wahu e-bike is made for all people and purposes, and it's a perfect blend of style, performance, and energy efficiency. Powered by a durable and powerful rear-mounted electric motor, providing a smooth and effortless ride, all while reducing your fuel costs. The bikes are equipped with a dual swappable battery system, able to achieve speeds reaching 33 km per hour with a combined range of up to 140 km from both batteries on a full charge. Our current e-bikes are able to carry payloads of up to but not exceeding 150 kilograms. The e-bike comes with both pedal assist and throttle features, offering you the freedom to choose your own riding style. You can engage the pedal assist mode for a smooth and effortless ride, where the electric motor seamlessly complements your pedaling efforts, or activate the throttle for instant acceleration when you need it, perfect for starting your bike from a complete stop. Safety is our top priority at Wahu. That's why we've equipped our bikes with cutting-edge safety features, including hydraulic disc brakes for unparalleled stopping power. The ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort and caters to riders of all heights. The integrated LED display keeps you informed about your speed, battery life, and distance traveled, while the built-in lights ensure your safety during night rides. The Wahu e-bikes come equipped with advanced and real-time tracking technology, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your bike is always within reach and your location is accessible through our secure app. The Wahu app is designed to keep you informed on the go. With it, you can check your battery status, monitor your average riding speed and total distance, and even keep track of your carbon emissions reduced. With the Wahu e-bike, you can confidently and safely ride through your city and maximize your earnings. Wahu not only offers you savings, but also the opportunity to earn. You can become a delivery partner with Wahu and join our growing fleet of eco-conscious riders, making money by delivering food and packages with our partners. The possibilities are endless. Ready to get on a Wahu e-bike? We offer flexible payment options to make owning a Wahu e-bike convenient without financial strain. Whether you prefer to make a one-time payment or opt in for convenient financing plans with low weekly installments, we've got you covered. Your Wahu e-bike comes with 2 swappable batteries, a complimentary helmet, gloves, and a bike lock. Using your Wahu e-bike in our delivery network, you will receive free periodic maintenance by our team of expert engineers for up to 24 months. Riders are also comprehensively insured. Your insurance covers theft, personal and third-party injury, personal and third-party accidents. In Ghana, our bikes are classified as bicycles with electric assistance, meaning no license is required to operate it. However, to ride with us, you must be at least 20 years old and have a Ghana card or other recognized form of national identification. Riders who opt in for the weekly payment plan will also be required to provide a guarantor. The guarantor will need to provide their Ghana card as well. We expect riders in our delivery network to complete a minimum of 10 orders per day. Sounds interesting? Want to know more? Visit the Wahu warehouse on Spentix Road in Accra on Thursdays at either 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. for an in-person question and answer session. Follow us on Instagram at wahu.me and Facebook at Wahu.